Welcome to Sumber Technic 39. We are a company design interior HPL, CNC, workshop, building, and Teralis. Here is some product of interior kitchen sets, and we have made by our team. It's like kitchen sets and some other part. The next is about CNC routers, and this is CNC router we have made by some product, and our team make it. This is the process behind the skins, and this is our product. It's like wooden carving and Arabic wooden calligraphy, and also some part of things about calligraphy. And this is wooden carving for something like this. And the last is trellis and weldings. This is kind of part of we have made, and this is about weldings, and this is part of our products. It's like that. This is the process how to make a good buildings, and come and visit us. Don't forget that this is for CV Sumber Technic 39. And this about us. I see you later. Bye.